Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine and blend photos in Canva, just like this one, and there's actually multiple more options. Now, what you need to do is first open up a project, okay, or a canvas. So I can click on social media, click on YouTube thumbnail, and then what we'll do is first drag and drop our images into Canva. So there we go. I'll bring in these two images right here into Canva. And what we need to do is resize them. Okay. First, I'll grab the one here at the bottom. I'll go ahead and resize that as such. There we go. Okay. I'll bring this one here. I'll increase the size from the top. Now, what I'll do, I'll take the second image. I'll place it as such. Okay. And then what we're going to do, actually, let's bring it to here. And then what you need to do is come here at the left-hand panel, click on apps, and I want you to search for image blender. Okay. We'll search for image blender right here. And I'll show you which one to pick. So once you search this up, I want you to pick this one right here, image blender. And then we are going to be able to use this app. Now there's multiple options to blend. We have linear blend, we have radial blend. But before we do this, we need to select both the images. So come here and select this one, select the other one as well. Okay, you can select this one and click on linear. They have brush as well. Now these are options that you need to unlock using Pro and buying them. But these ones are free, so check this out. I can do linear, and this is a linear one. Of course, if I increase the strength, you'll see the lines get sharper. So you could do this one, can change the size, so you want it to be till here, or you can do radial, which is what I like for this one. So there we go. I'll place this one here. I'll bring it like this up to the hand. But what I'll do, I'll reduce this one. I'll bring it up here. Okay, I don't want it to be as sharp here at the bottom, right? I don't want it to be as sharp, so I'm moving this away. Okay, I'm moving the circle away up here top. I don't want a sharp line. Then we'll need to go ahead and click on save. Of course, you can increase and decrease the strength and play around with it. And there you go. We have this image of this lady at work thinking about a vacation. Then what you can do here, come to the top right, click on share, click on a download, and then you can save this as a PNG. This is what I suggest you to do. Of course, you could do a JPG, but PNG will give you the best quality. Just go ahead and click on download, and there you go. Our image has started downloading. And let me go ahead and open this up in a new tab to show you. Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar, and I'll see you in the next one.